Okay, quick little crash course on new switchboard on the wall next to a current one. So here you can see I'm trying to figure out where our studs are. So I know there'll be one here and one here, but this is not a jib wall, so it's kind of pretty hard to tell. And because it's not a jib wall, I don't think my stud finder will work very well. So what I've done, I drilled a hole in the top plate and found that I wasn't on a stud, so that's good, and it was in line with this knot here. I've drilled this hole through the wall in line with that as well. No timber around. Another way you could do it is you drill a hole in this board, but because it's a metal board, I didn't really want to fluff around with that right now with all the cables in there. So I've got my hole here. I'm going to get a rod, poke in all the directions around here and make sure my board will fit. I've then got the template for the new board, which is going to go here, and so long as my rod will poke around to all four of those corners, I know I am all good. I can start cutting it out. So that's well and truly long enough. Perfect. There is a stud right there. So we're going to have a little bit of problem there. If I go this way, my stud is right there. So at this point, yep, all good up. Almost all good down. So at this point I can use something little to cover it. That gets to the top plate. There, good. Now, if that's the stud there, I'm also not going to fit in that gap because this board is the same width completely. So I'm going to use something else that I need to put over that, and I'm going to have to pop it over here, which I wanted to go closer that way because it's nice and close to the board, but it is what it is. Could go underneath, although getting my cables down might be a bit of a pain then, but maybe I'll give that a go anyway. So maybe it'll go there, and then I can put my gateway here. So I think I will do that. I'll go below, keeps my cables nice and short, and yeah, let's give that a go. Hole drilled, marked. We don't have anything up until the bottom of the board. Studs right there, and the other studs all the way over here. So we'll fit in here and be able to drill against this, the screw against this stud nice. When you're cutting the hole out, always cut to the stud first, because see where my pencil mark is? The stud was actually just a little bit further back than I thought, and that's because my rod went to the back corner, and then when I pulled it flat, it was there. So now I can just realign and draw in pencil too, guys. So my switchboard is in. Got my cables through from this hole over here, and now I've got my envoy on here. Boom, use my little hole and redirect my cables over here. So, board in. Follow for more from an NZ tradie.